How to pair the Fort Smart Security Light. First, open the ClickSmart Plus app onto the home screen and tap the Add Device button. Or, if you already have devices connected, tap Add Devices in the top right hand corner. Make your way to the ESP tab and select the Smart Security Light. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the Smart Security Light into pairing mode and confirm. Connect the app to the same network as your device and follow the instructions using the on-screen QR code until you hear the tone. The Fort Smart Security Light will register to the app and network and initialize. Once your Fort Smart Security Light is paired, you can rename it to customize your setup. If you're having issues with connecting the security light, try the alternative Easy mode and follow the on-screen instructions. Your Fort Smart Security Light is now ready to go. You can easily configure the camera settings, light brightness, night mode and PIR sensitivity, all while simultaneously accessing other camera feeds. You can also activate the siren for any unwanted visitors. All Fort Smart Security products are compatible with Alexa and Google devices.